This is a CNN News 18 campaign. How often do we come across, especially motorcyclists, driving on the wrong side of the road? It's every few minutes in different parts of the country. But for the first time in Delhi, the police have registered an FIR for driving on the wrong side, becoming the first union territory in the country to do so. The FIR was registered on the 3rd of January. This happened at the Delhi Cantonment Police Station. The accused was a native of Uttar Pradesh's Shahjahanpur. He was said to be driving on the wrong side near the Hanuman Mandir red light. According to the police, the accused did not even have a driving license or insurance for his motorcycle. The FIR was registered against under Section 281 of the BNS, which deals with rash or negligent driving, which is bailable, which is why the accused was granted bail. Now, this may be the first FIR in Delhi, but it's not the first in the country. Many such FIRs have been filed in the rest of the country, but is that deterrent enough? Clearly not, because there are several people, especially bikers, that break this law every single minute. They choose to ride or drive on the wrong side just to save 2 minutes or less of their lives, to save less than a petrol or fuel. The price could be their own life or someone else's. From 2018 to 2023, the number of people dying because of wrong side driving went up by 8%. What's scary is that the total number of accidents didn't increase much, but the number of deaths did, which means these crashes happen more often now, they're more serious, and they're likely to claim some lives. So the question really is that should the punishment then be harsher? We are going to be opening our call lines here. The numbers are flashing at the bottom of your screens. Do call us and share your perspective with us, because this is a campaign that we are not going to let off here on CNN News 18. It may seem like a very small offense, wrong side driving, but it is one that is a choice that people make, which could endanger their own lives, could endanger n number of lives on the roads that they're out on. Is punishment that we already have under the BNS and the Motor Vehicles Act enough? Is that deterrent enough for people to stop driving on the wrong side? Do call us and share your views, because we intend to right this wrong. That is what we intend to do here on CNN News 18, and we'd like you, our viewer, to join in with this campaign, because the number of accidents that we see because of wrong side driving is only increasing. In 2023, the number of accidents because of wrong side driving were over 25,242 in just a single year. Now, that may seem like a large number, but if you look at all of the other crimes that take place and the lives that are lost because of that, or the accidents that take place, this is a big number. On an average, 69 wrong side driving accidents happen per day across the country. These are just accidents, mind you. There are some accidents that lead to deaths, either of the rider or of the driver or of the people that are caught in the crosshairs. The number of deaths that we saw because of rash driving, because of wrong side driving in 2023, that number was at 9,432, which means there were 26 deaths that were recorded every single day on an average in 2023 just due to wrong side driving. Why is it then people still decide that this was an okay thing to do? Maybe because the punishment is not harsh enough. Here are what the provisions in the law state. Under the BNS section, which is the latest one that has come out, Section 281, up to 6 months in jail could be the punishment if you are found or booked under BNS 281, which happened in the case in Delhi as well, or there is a fine of up to 1,000 rupees. What is 1,000 rupees? What is a bailable offence? Is that deterrent enough? Many would say no. The Motor Vehicles Act is another provision under which the law can be invoked against such wrong side drivers. For the first offence, you would be paying about 500 to 1,000 rupees. In Delhi, the fine is much higher. It's about 5,000 rupees in Delhi. That's just on your first attempt, on your first offence. If you are found repeatedly violating that particular law for wrong side driving, you could pay a fine up to 2,000 rupees for repeat offenders. But in Delhi, that fine could go up to 1,000 rupees. And yet, in Delhi, in the National Capital Region, we see several people that still drive on the wrong side, jeopardizing their own lives, jeopardizing the lives of all those who are out on the roads, all those bikers, all those cyclists, all those children and women and pedestrians that are out on the road. All of them are caught in these crosshairs because some people choose to save 2 minutes of their life just to endanger someone else's. So why exactly do we face this problem, and what is it that the agencies, that the traffic control police, that the Delhi police can actually do? Well, my colleague spoke with Additional Commissioner of Delhi Police Traffic here in the national capital. Listen in to what he had to say.
Like we have heard that Gurgaon police is registering an FIR against the rash and negligent driving. So in Delhi also, we have also initiated this thing. Till now, we have registered 3 FIRs. one in PS Vasant Kunj, one is PS Kapaseda, and one in PS Delhi Cant, under 281 BNS. 281 BNS is basically a dangerous driving, endangering the life of the persons. So along with the other MV Acts, we have registered 3 FIRs. So it will be deterrent to the public that if they are driving that endangers the life of the others, then a FIR can also be registered. So we have initiated this drive and we have registered 3 FIRs, and the more action will be taken in the future.
Simran, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Simran, this is the first such FIR that has been filed in Delhi, though we've seen several such FIRs in the rest of the country. But this is just the beginning, is what we can hope for, and that stringent action follows from here on. Because even in this case, because it's a bailable offence, even though there was an FIR filed, the driver, the motorcyclist in this case, got bail quite immediately.
Well, absolutely. In that provision, in fact, what is also being said by the lawmakers and the authorities is there has to be some provision for the people who commit these kind of offences, and that is what it has been categorically said. When we have spoken to the, in fact, Additional Commissioner of Police of Traffic, Mr. Gautam has also said that what they have, in fact, said right now is a deterrent act. And under the section 281, person can, of course, apply for bail. There is 6 months of imprisonment and 1,000 rupees fine. Yes, the amount may be less, but at the same time, this is an initiative that has been given at large for the people to understand this is in fact endangering lives. Whenever you travel on a highway or on arterial roads, this has to be taken in cognizance that the kind of offence through which this act will result is going to be an FIR and not only just challans right now. And this is of course coming at the back of when Gurugram also had, the Gurugram police did a major announcement and said that they are also going to now slap FIRs on the commuters who are not going to be driving in the direction on which the road is. And in that same manner and fashion, Delhi police has also given a big jolt for the commuters and the violators rather, who have been driving on the wrong side. And for the wrong side drivers, this is going to be largely a big action which will be initiated. And when we also listen to the statements that have come from the Delhi police, they are saying that there are many other such offences which are endangering lives of the other people on the road for the violators who are doing so. So more such actions like jumping the red light or even causing negligence could also be coming up given the kind of nature of that incident and that action. So there is of course a larger impact, and in regards to that as well, there is also going to be a larger follow-up in what such actions, not just the wrong driving, but what such actions on the road which will be constituted under this section of the BNS that is bailable.
Absolutely. Simran, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. We have several sections within the BNS and the motor